Another big economy, the Japanese yen. We changed only this one to start with. Take away this and select US dollar, Japanese yen, inverted, meaning it says JPY US dollar, because we want to see the strength of the US dollar on the same side. Now for this one, since it is inverted, you must think opposite to what this one shows. It's the only pair that you do that at, because it's in inverted. You see it here, so it's inverted. It's showing the opposite. So when you're here, you change to US dollar, Japanese yen. This. So we have a US dollar yen chart. Okay. So same logic again. Here we see a cross. We see yen going up and dollar going down, but it's inverted, so it's actually this one going down, this one going up. It's the only pair we do that on, because later on when you start using all these pairs, gold, pound, euro, and yen, you want to see the strength of the US dollar. That's why it's made this way, right? So we have a cross. This is again London, and we take the GAN tool. We find a high here, most recent from the cross. We follow it down. This one was very close. When you come here and say, okay, I have actually a high wick there, you can test it. You can also check how it does the separation. Looks like it's good, taking out the previous separation. So if you really want to go a little more advanced, you can do it like this. See, where can I find my 50? There. So this one to this one, and you got to entry here. You got to stop here. Or you stay with the original high like this. Okay. And this is what I'm talking about. When this happens, when you stick to the same top, same bottom, and it never gets to 50%. It was because we had several highs here that we can measure against in consolidation here. And we had many entries. That's why you need to also take a look. You can drag this tool several times, of course. See if they also have a divergence showing between different percent levels. But that's a little more advanced. We don't need that right now. But in our case, from here down to here, you would have your entry here, 930, and easily one win again, right? So the only thing that you should take from this video is that if this one goes up, it actually goes down, or should be traded down. When this one goes down, you should be trading up. So let us take this one trade as well. Take the tool. You see a cross, 5:45 in the morning, this one here. So it's no surprise that it goes on the sideways during the morning hours here. So how do you do here? You don't have a low really. No, you wait. You don't go back to here, because then you are 2 a.m. in the morning, Tokyo opening. Wait for low. Okay, you have a low here. Good. We start following our candles. Our limit order, we just changes it until it's get a retracement of 50. There, boom. And there you have your profit. Boom. Set up your orders. When you are triggered, you can go do something else. You can either win or you can lose. Most of the time you will win, because you're following this one. And now when you have this system in place, you see things is working for you. You start to see that, okay, this is actually how trading should be done from the beginning, right? I have a data source. I have an analytical mentor that tells me when and when not to trade, in what direction. Now I can start watching on other things, specific sessions, specific days, specific assets, specific this and that, and so on, adding other indicators and stuff like that. But don't do that in the beginning. Keep it this simple. All we do is finding a high or low, find a 50% point, enter based on this chart. That's it. So you can basically start, if you never traded Forex before, or never traded metal before, or never traded anything else that is USD cross based, you can start watching, can I use this for UF30, NASDAQ, DAX, so on. Can it help me in any way? Trading the Nikkei, the Japanese yen index. Maybe you should be looking at how the US dollar yen works against DXY. Is there something that you can get help of? Use that instead of sitting in uncertainty. Build your confidence in what you're doing. And this way you are now trading professionally with a data source, with a mentor, a silent mentor that can help you to reach your goals. Becoming a trader, doing the same thing over and over again. Never change anything. Keep the rules. They're very simple. You need a cross. You need a start. You need a stop. You need a middle point. That's it. Thank you for being here. See you in the next video.